In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for one-handed mode shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. To change placement of it, use this icon of one-handed mode on the left or on the right. To go back to the standard size screen, you can click on the same shortcut. Or you can also just click on this X icon, also on the left or on the right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!